Welcome to second grade math support. Again, my name is Dr. Griggs, and these are our topics for this year. We are now looking at number and operations in base 10. So let's look at our objectives here. This topic has 10 objectives, and let's look at the objective for today. Our objective for today is fluently add and subtract within 100 using strategies based on place value, properties of operation, and or the relationship between addition and subtraction. So pretty much we're going to get really comfortable with adding and subtracting within 100. And we're going to figure out any strategies, whether that's looking at place value, whether that's making tens, breaking apart the numbers. We're going to look at all kinds of ways to do this. So let's look at our problem. Our problem for today is Mia has 68 beads in her craft box. She uses 24 beads to make a bracelet. Then her friend gives her 15 more beads. How many beads does Mia have now? So let's look at this. Now, sometimes word problems have a lot of fluff, a lot of things we don't need, but for this one, we need pretty much everything in the word problem. So we know that she started off with 68 beads. Then she used 24 beads to make the bracelet. So since she uses this, what do you think we should do? We should subtract what she did from there. But then her friend gives her 15 more. So that 15 more and gives shows us that we're going to be adding. So we're going to be doing subtraction and addition in this problem. So we're going to have pretty much, I'm just going to write it out. We're going to break it down, but we're going to have 68, which was the starting number. Then we're going to subtract the 24 that she used. And then we're going to add the 15 that her friend gave her. So let's do this in steps. Let's start off with 68 minus 24. Okay, so we can break this apart and do the ones, do the tens, and then add that answer together. So let's look at that for this, and then we'll look at another strategy when we're adding. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give us tens and ones. So because this is in the tens place, that means this is not 6, but the value would actually be 60. So that would be the same as 60 minus, this is also in the tens, so not 2, but 20. Now, 60 minus 20 is 40. Now let's look at the next one. We have 8. It's in the ones place, so that value is 8. The 4 is also in the ones place, so that value is 4. And 8 minus 4, well, if we take away 4 from 8, we will have 4 left. And if we add these together, our answer will be 44. So after she made her bracelet with the 24 beads, she had 44 beads left. But her friend gave her 15. So now we're doing 44 plus 15. So let me line this up at the standard algorithm, but we are going to try something new with this one. We're going to make a 10. And we can do this. Well, actually, we don't have enough to make a 10. Oh no. So we don't have enough to make a 10. We would need at least 6 here to make a 10. We only have 5. That's okay. If we look at place value blocks, for example, we will have, we're just going to call these big blocks 10s. So 10, that's another 10. And then we have 1, 10 for 15. Then on the one side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now over here we have, if we just look at all of our 10s that we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, because we're adding, so we're going to add all those together, so 50. And then the ones we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So plus 9 equals 59. So when Mia is all done, she now has 59 beads left. And that is looking at adding and subtracting within 100 inside of a word problem. I really hope this was helpful to you. But as always, if you have any questions or any thoughts about anything that we have gone over, if there's something else you would like for me to go over in a video, feel free to let me know. I would love to be able to help you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye. Thank you so much for joining my tutoring session today. If you enjoyed the way that I instruct, and you think that I would be a useful addition to your student or to yourself, feel free to scan this QR code. It is going to take you directly to my profile page where you can get set up on weekly classes with me. Looking forward to seeing you in the classroom.